What is up, you guys? This is your host with the most, West Coast Collector, coming at you with another unboxing. I'm a little sick, but it's nothing. Me for you guys. Gotta go to work later on, which sucks, but it is what it is. I have some dog in the background. Lay Low. Classic song. Love it, love it, love it. I am in the hunt for that album. Hopefully to find it soon. I recently went to a flea market this weekend and found a shit ton of CDs. So, talking about around 32 CDs. So, I might do tomorrow, or maybe later today. CD collection, what I got, and all that. Bunch of good CDs. So, if you're a hip hop fan, stay tuned for that. You'll love that. By the title, you already know. It's another diecast unboxing. This is from the same seller I bought my yellow Dub City 118 scale truck. But this is another thing that's rare as well. Well, I don't know if it's rare. One thing I do know is it's hard to find, and when you do find this, it's overpriced. The only one I seen for sale was his counterpart, which is the red version, for $120, 110, somewhere around there. So that kind of price range, no thank you. But luckily I was able to purchase it for 25? No, 30. I think it was 30 for 2 cents, which was nice. Another truck was in there too, so. It was missing a mirror, which did suck, so it's not bad. This one, I think both of them are missing. Come on, damn it. There we go. Struggling here for you guys. Sure, opened it before, but I just took the label off. I don't want to spill all this shit on the floor either. Sorry I haven't been active lately. I haven't really purchased anything. This is the latest thing I've purchased so far. Oh man. Fuck it. Let's drop him. I don't want to, but let's see if we can take it out. Let's see. A little bit. Oh, there's a few on the inside. Whoa. I already see a pink chip. Not good. When there's a pink chip, you know it's all bad. Here, let me take this off. I don't know why you put this in here, man. This is a no-no. Okay, in the back, can't open it. Oh, come on. Looks like I'm about to leave him in there till I unscrew the bottom. There we go. At least we got the top ones out. I do see. Better not be a damn paint chip either. That looks like to be like dirt. So the condition of this, it is not the greatest. Judging by it, it is bad. I would probably give this, condition-wise, 4. 4 or 5? No, I would probably give it a 5. 5 out of 10. I was expecting it to be a little bit better, condition-wise. Sadly, this is it. I've been searching for this color variant for a while now. This is a Ford Expedition. Ford, am I right? Ford. Yeah, Ford Expedition. I was right. The mirrors are missing, sadly. but the decals on this are clean, badass, and wet. There is the front grill, nothing wrong with it, just a little dirt right there. I don't think you can see that little dot right there. We'll be cleaning this. I see a few scratches in the mirror, not mirror, in the back window, which I hope they can be taken off. But we'll try. There is a scratch right there with paint. So for what I paid for, $25, it's not bad. You know, you're paying for what what you purchase, the price. So that's the back. One thing I love about these is they're very, very detailed to the very end. It's hard to see with my damn camera inside, but there we go. A couple subwoofers, speakers. We call those. Badass, man, badass. The back, as you can see, has the detail on this is like, oh my god. So I do love the muffler back there. Check out the interior, everything's attached inside. Even the mirror, which is usually broken. Everything looks nice inside. There is a few peanuts inside, which we'll see how I'll take those out. Give this a nice clean. Dub City. I already have this version, not this version, but this one in a different colorway. Let me get it. Here's the one I already have, which is boxed. I put it in a box. This is better condition than the one I have. The one I got right now. This one has one mirror at least. They had no paint chips. Paint job was well taken care of. Everything was intact inside. And I put it in this box because it was pretty good condition. So besides that, one mirror missing, and that was it. This is the same decal and everything as this one. Just this color is more harder to find, more rare in this case. But I paid pretty good. Probably paid the same amount for that one back there, but it came with two. A little bit more, probably like $10 more. But it is what it is. I'll clean it up, try and make it as good as possible. A few paint chips here and there, but none too crazy. I hate when people try to sell you items are, let's say, on great condition or nothing too bad, and then you get it and it's like worse. Paint chips everywhere, like dusty and like dirt everywhere, and it's like, come on, man. Luckily, this guy was, he's a cool guy, so I got it off of mercari. So he has a few others that I might purchase. Who knows? But I just need to get this off of him because this is harder to find model. So better have it now. But yeah, see you guys on the next one. Love.